So I've been working on this log here, as you all know, moving that one off the top, and I've been really disappointed up to this point because I was getting a lot of rot and dark color. But eureka! We're into the good stuff. Look at that. Nothing wrong with this wood, and now it's all gotten solid here. We're seriously gonna have some bear claw, guys. This is it. The Wolverine is starting to howl. We're back from the bush. That's my two huskies and my one still. Look at the blade on that husky. And that's the short one. The big one's underneath it. 4-foot blades. Anyways, here's what we got out. Look at that. White, bright, and full of claw. See it? Huh? That's right, William Cupiano. The come along got this out. So I got maybe 25 blocks here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to fill my 10 set orders with some beautiful white claw from the Wolverine. And then we'll have some other stuff, and there will be some stuff available for the auctions and for the Steve Stevens build along. The tree's getting better and bigger as I go back. And look, a little neck. Can you believe it? A spruce neck with claw from the Wolverine. Yes, sir, Bob. Look at the spike, the iron. We got this tree just in the nick of time. It's Sprucetonewood in Luthierforum. Be there for the live sales or order direct. Just send me an email at Dacosta, D-A-C-O-S-T-A, at sprucetonewood.com, or come to the live auctions on the auction page at Luthierforum.com. Luthierforum, the singular, where there's more going on than any other online venue. Spruce Man, out.